Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Kernel32 Dll error, then stick on for the solutions. So the first solution would be is to disable any third party applications running on the system. So what normally happens is these DLL files of the third party applications get corrupted and this error shows up. So what we do is we look for task manager. We click on task manager and then we click on this meter button, startup apps it's called, and we arrange it by status. Okay, and we look for any third party app which is not associated to window that may be enabled. So here I can give you an example, ShareX. So ShareX is a third party app, so and it's enabled. So what I will do is I will right click and I will disable it, and then I will restart my computer. So what this will do is, and how do we restart the computer, I'll show you. We click on start, left click on this button, and we restart the computer. So what this will do is when the computer starts again, this third party app that I've disabled will remain disabled. So if you have multiple third party apps, you can disable one by one and you can see which app is causing the problem, and then once you find out which app is causing the problem, you can uninstall it and reinstall it. Now the second solution would be, if this doesn't work out, the second solution would be is to run an SFC scan. So how we would do that is we would look for command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we input the command sfc space / scan now, SCANNOW, and press enter. Now this should fix the problem. The third step we can do in addition to SFC is we can run a check this scan, which can check for any bad sectors in the hard disk. This is more relevant if you have the old computers which run on the hard disk, not the new computers which have the SSD drives. So command prompt, right click, run as admin, yes, and we input the command chkdsk space /f space /r and press enter. This should fix this error. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.